Hi guys, Jules here from Poor Little Irish Girl. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a canvas here. I just poured a ring pour, multiple ring pour, and I kind of screwed it up with one last little action I thought I would do. But there's actually a canvas here. It's kind of blending in with the table. Anyhow, I have a cup ready to pour. Hopefully you can see all these pretty colors. This is all in the Mont series. Stacked in this cup I have phthalo blue, I have violet or purple, I have crimson, and I have gold. And so what I'm going to do is, and these are, you know, all semi-transparent, semi-opaque. The last time I did about 5 or 6 little circles, and then I filled in the gaps, which was a mistake because when I stretched it, it looked muddy. So I'm just going to do 3, maybe 4 big circles and tilt, and hopefully I won't get a mess like I did last time. So let's get started. I'm going to start over in this corner. Little circles. So amazing when you pour ring pours. And you can stack your cup the same way each time. You just always get a different outcome when it comes out of the cup, different color combination. I find that fascinating. Okay, I'm going to stop there because it's green, it's starting to turn a little green. Alright, let's go over here. Alright, so the blue, the phthalo blue and the gold are mixing to turn a little bit of a green color. It looks nice in the cup. I don't know how it's going to blend with the other colors though, so let's see, it's starting to come out more. Ooh, I got some cells in the cup. Let's go over here. You probably hear my doggy scratching in the background. They are my artist helpers. Right now they're scratching. Alright, this one is starting to go a little whoopsie daisy. Alright, let's get, you know what, I'm going to do one in the middle. I wish you could see inside this cup. There are beautiful cells. And I'm going to do one big one here. Inside the cup actually looks better than what's on the canvas. Ooh, getting some red back. All right. Okay. And now I am going to stretch. I have a little more on one side than the other, but that's fine. It's just a little impromptu video. I do want to try and keep my centers because I have some, looks like some cells popping up, so let's try try and do that. Hi, Suze. What are you doing? Oh, I lost one. So this time it's got a lot more gold in it. The last pour had more purple and blue. Hopefully I can get down to this corner. I got plenty of paint on the left side. And I was a little bit skimpy on the right. Let's see if we can get back down here. Try and stretch this corner out a little bit without losing that red up top. It's kind of pretty. All right, let's get you back to the middle if we can. I think that's gonna be it. And I'm not happy with it. It looks messy. I do like this corner up here. Maybe I can stretch that out a little bit, get some highlights, because there's some beautiful gold highlights sitting under there. Just this one little section. The rest, it's a bit dark. I'm tempted just to pour the rest of this cup in the middle and see what comes of it. Should I do that? I don't like this piece, so what have I got to lose? Let's just see what happens. Okay, excuse my sniffing, I have some allergies. All right, let's get wiggling. Who knows, maybe this will turn out beautiful. I often find some of my most lovely pieces come from extraordinary mistakes, and this is now my third attempt at this canvas. And I don't know if you've heard of the ghost canvases. I've had quite a few. Those are the canvases that you will work and they will just never produce a piece that you're happy with. It's not your fault, it's the ghost canvas. I promise. It likes to steal paint. Alright, so this is looking exceptionally different than what I had. And you know what, I actually like this. Like I said, it's all about that darn ghost canvas. Actually, it's trial and error. With acrylic pouring, you will waste a lot of paint, money, tears. In my case, a coffee table in the middle of your living room, which is my art studio. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm going to get that back to the middle a little bit. And I am going to leave that. Cover my edges. Let's see if I can get you down for a close-up. Hang on though, I'm covered in paint, more so than normal. Oh my goodness, my hands are so sticky. Okay, let me take you down for a close-up. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. My battery's about to die. I'm going to put this up on my Facebook page, my Etsy page, Poor Little Irish Girl. Thanks for watching. Everyone stay safe. I love you all.